For many people, buying a home will be the single largest investment they'll ever make, so it's important to have a team of experts on your side to make sure it goes as smoothly as possible. Your team will consist of a loan officer, a realtor, a home inspector, and an attorney. Your first step should be getting pre-qualified for a loan. At its core, getting approved is a 3-step process where you provide your loan officer with documentation regarding your income, assets, and credit. It is important to provide this information in a timely manner at the beginning of the process to prepare for the road ahead. Some common misconceptions are that you need perfect credit and 20% down to purchase a home. And while your credit score will have an impact on the terms of the loan you'll qualify for, there are many loan products available for those whose credit may have a ding or a dent, and there are actually several different types of mortgage insurance available for those who don't have 20% to put down. In today's market, a qualified buyer can put as little as 3% down on their first home. Additionally, there are programs designed specifically to help first-time home buyers, which include down payment assistance and reduced cost mortgage insurance. Once your credit is reviewed and income and assets are verified, your loan officer will issue a pre-qualification letter to you and your realtor. This lets other realtors know that you're a serious buyer and that you have the ability to purchase the homes you're looking at. Speaking of realtors, having your own buyer's agent is critical. Keep in mind that as you're driving down the road and see a realtor sign in front of an attractive house, that realtor works for the seller. You want your realtor to have your best interests in mind, so make sure you choose a realtor who specializes in buyer's representation and who works the areas you're interested in. Their assistance will be invaluable, not only in negotiating an offer, but in making sure your next home is right for you and your family, now and in the future. Once a contract is accepted, your entire team springs into action. Your loan officer will prepare your application, your attorney will review the contract, and while that's happening, your home inspector will make a thorough examination of the property from the foundation to the roof, letting you know all the issues he found with the house and preparing a report within 24 hours. Working together with your realtor and your attorney and armed with this report, you may be able to negotiate with the sellers to either have these issues addressed before closing or to have the sellers provide a closing cost credit. Your loan officer will then order an appraisal and submit your file to processing, where the information provided during the application process is verified. Then on to an underwriter who will verify that the buyer and the property meet certain conditions required by the end investor. Additional documentation or clarification may be required at this time. Once your loan is approved, your attorney will schedule the closing with the seller's attorney and will all meet at the title company, who verified that there are no other liens on your property. At the closing table, your attorney will walk you through the signing process, explaining the documents and protecting your interests. And when you walk out of the closing, keys in hand, you will be a homeowner. Congratulations!